welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to thank you guys for 10,000 subscribers. I cannot believe that I've been doing YouTube for 2 years now. We're finally at 10,000 subscribers, so I want to say thank you for everybody that subscribed. Thank you for everybody that's been down with me since day one. But today I'm here to talk about the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. So I'm giving away a couple things. So first I'm going to give away first of all, one person is going to receive all of this. So I'm not going to do like individual people for each item. So yeah, one person is going to get all of these items. So first is one bag of Versa gel. So yeah, one bag is brand new. Everything is brand new. I have not used any of this. And by the way, I do not ship internationally, so you have to live in the United States. But yeah, one bag of Versa gel. This is a 4-ounce bag. So that's the first thing. I'm going to be giving away one syringe and 6 of these little pipettes is where you cut off the tip and the other side, and you just put it on the syringe. And this is a 60 ml syringe. And then I'm going to give away these 2 pigments. First is the Reborn Soft Pink, and this is 6 grams. That's the back of that. And then I'm also going to give away the 24K Gold, and that's the back of that, and it's also 6 grams. And then I'm going to give away a spatula. This is TKB Trading spatula. I had no idea it was this small. I thought it was a lot bigger. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna give away. And then I'm gonna give away the flavor on oil, strawberry and vanilla scent. And I forgot what size this is. Oh, this is a half fluid ounce. So yeah, the strawberry and then the vanilla. So yeah, I'm going to give away both of those. And then I'm going to give away 7 different color glitters. And I will insert a photo because I don't remember what the colors are. And then I'm also going to give away 10 lip gloss tubes. So that'll also be, I'm going to also insert a picture of that too. So I do not have that with me. So again, one person will receive all of these items. And it's kind of like my own little lip gloss kit. It's not TKB Trading's lip gloss kit, but it's like my own personalized kit. So yeah, this is everything you need to make your own lip gloss. The only thing else you need is like a spoon and a bowl, but I'm sure everybody has that at their house. So I'm just going to put all this back in the bag. But yeah, the giveaway will last 1 week, so it will last, what's today, the 3rd? I'm going to post the video today as soon as I get done editing. But December 3rd through the 10th. So the winner will be announced on the 11th. And to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram at Marisa Cosmetics. I'll put that in the description. I'll put that in the comment section. I'm going to put it in this video. Again, my Instagram is at Marisa Cosmetics. And you have to follow me, and once you follow me, just screenshot a picture of you following me and then send it to my DM. And then come back to this video and comment done with your Instagram name. Now, if you do not have an Instagram, you cannot answer this giveaway because you have to follow me on Instagram. That is the requirements. I'm sorry. But yeah, you have to have an Instagram. Or just have your friend follow me and then she can leave her Instagram or whatever. But you have to have an Instagram account to answer the giveaway. And so as you guys can see, I have some new weave in. This is some new hair. This is Wet Curling by Lulu Tress. This is 18 inches and it's very soft, very fluffy. I'm going to do a review on this hair after I finish this video. But yeah, I use 2.5 packs. So you want to know more about hair, stay tuned for the next video. But yeah, I think that's everything you guys need to know. Again, thank you for 10,000 subscribers. Sorry, I thought I heard something. But again, I will be giving away 2 flavoring oils, strawberry and vanilla, 2 pigments, 24K Gold, Reborn Soft Pink, a syringe, 6 pipettes, a bag of Versa gel, 7 glitters. They are holographic glitters and they are cosmetic glitters. And then 10 lip gloss tubes. So yeah, that's everything. I'm sorry. That's everything you need to make your own lip gloss. But you might want to go buy some labels if you want to, like, you know, be more professional or whatever. But yeah, again, for some reason everybody still keeps asking me, where do I get the Versace gel from? Where do I get the tubes from? So real quick, I get my Versace gel from TKB Trading. You can get everything from TKB Trading. Glitter, syringe, tubes, everything you need you can get from TKB Trading. But I don't get everything from there because it's not the cheapest place. But again, Amazon also sells a Versace gel, but it is a lot higher. It's $20 for a 5 ounce, where you can get a 4 ounce for $4.65 off TKB Trading. So yeah, I would definitely recommend TKB Trading instead of Amazon. But yeah, if you guys are interested in me doing like certain colors, like certain pigments off TKB Trading, just let me know, because I kind of just buy random colors, you know, from TKB Trading. But I did buy like 10 more to try out for you guys, so stay tuned for those videos. I don't post them as often because it takes a lot of time for me to make it, edit those type of videos, and plus I'm a really busy type of person. So I try to get those videos out as fast as I can. I try to do as many as I can while I am for a lot of people. I know a lot of people ask me, how do I have so many subscribers and stuff like that. The key to getting subscribers is posting good content, good quality, and being consistent. I try to post a video every 5 days. Every 4 to 5 days. I don't go a week without posting a video. And then my camera quality is decent. I know it's not the best, but it is decent. And then I do post good content because everybody loves to see my lip gloss videos. That's what I get mainly. Everybody wants me to post more lip gloss videos. I am doing the best that I can. I'm trying to get these videos out for you guys. But again, it takes time for me to buy pigments because it takes a week for it to come. Then I have to have then I gotta make it, edit it. That takes some time. Plus I am a college student again. Then I be restocking my own products, main colors, trying to advertise my products, packaging up, shipping those out. I have a lot of things that I do each and every day. So if I don't post a lip gloss video every week, I apologize, but I try to get at least one every 2 weeks in. But I do post other content on my channel for you guys. So yeah, like I said, I did order a bunch of pigments off TKB Trading. So I'm gonna show you guys those, and then I want you to stay tuned for more videos. I try to post another video either this week or the end of next, but probably the end of this week. So the first pigment that I bought to try out for you guys is Coral Reef Blue. So as you can see, it's like this aqua color. It is 6 grams. So yeah, the next color is Berry Red. This is very pretty. And it's also 6 grams. That is the back. It's kind of like it's not really red. It's kind of like a loud pink. The next is Cosmetic Carolyn. So that is what that looks like. And then here is the back of that. So it's kind of like this is a reddish pink. I think this is going to be very pretty, but my favorite probably has to be Berry Red. The next is Cotton Candy. This is kind of like a pinkish, orangey color. Like a coral kind of. Very pretty. Also, the next is going to be TKB Be My Valentine. This is like a pale pink. But I think this is also very pretty. But real quick, I know somebody asked me, why do I always add silver in all my glosses? I mean, it's not required. It's just something that I like to do, but I think it just adds more like a multicolor to the actual lip gloss. So like, let's say I'm making a pink glitter lip gloss, right? I'll add a little bit of silver to give it like more red, gold, green, blue. You know, it just adds every color to it versus just pink alone. And it'll have some other colors in it, but the silver just makes those other colors kind of stand out. I hope that kind of makes sense. But that's why I add silver. So you don't have to add silver. That's just something that I like to do. Anyway, moving on. So now I have pearl pink, and then here is the back of that. So yeah, this is kind of like a it's not too much of a loud pink, but it's like pink with like a little like purple shimmer to it, if that makes sense. But this is very pretty. This is also 6 grams. Then I also have Nosy Bee Shimmerlin, or I probably mispronounced that. But this is what that looks like. And again, this is really pretty. This is kind of like a brown, purplish type of color. I thought it was different, so I was like, why not try it? So yeah, again guys, I have so many pigments. It's like my you guys remember my DIY organizer video? Like that drawer of glitter is just absolutely ridiculous. Like it's so much stuff in there, I can hardly even close the drawer. So I definitely got to go through that organizer and just give it like a whole new makeover. If you want to see another video on that, and so you can see how bad how bad it really is, just leave a comment and I'll show you. This is TKB Terracotta. Don't know if I pronounced that right, but it's kind of like a darkish purple, not too dark, but this is very pretty. And it also has kind of like a shimmer to it as well. And then this is Umber. This is kind of like a pretty brown, kind of smooth brown. So every color that I do, I add glitter to it. Every tinted color. A lot of people ask me what the gloss will look like without the glitter. It's gonna look the exact same. You just won't see any glitter sparkles. But I like to add glitter because I'm known for my glitter gloss. I do not have any plain lip glosses without glitter, because like everybody loves glitter, right? Like why not add some glitter to it? But I do have more pigments, but I'm not finna go get them. So I have a lot of different, I have like 12. In each video I try to knock out at least 3. But yeah, it's gonna take me some time to do videos on all these pigments, so stay tuned. I do still have some I haven't posted just yet, but I will get around to it eventually. But I'm gonna post this video today so you guys can hurry into this giveaway, because I'm excited to announce the winner. Again, I do not pick winners. What I do is I put everybody's Instagrams and a website with like a little wheel to it, and it just automatically chooses one person. And I will show a video of me adding all of the names and the wheel just choosing somebody at random. So please do not comment pick me, because I do not pick people personally. The computer does. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Share this video with your friends so they can get a chance to enter the giveaway. But if you're like me, I wouldn't tell no friend, because I'm selfish and I want to win it myself. But don't be like me, guys. I'm a terrible influence. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more lip gloss videos. Stay tuned for more hair videos. Stay tuned for more nail videos. I do not have my nails done. I haven't had my nails done in like 2 weeks, because I'm just so busy. Like I'm busy making lip gloss videos, restocking, all that. I know a lot of people ask me to do a video on how I ship out my products. It's really self-explanatory. Just printing out the label, and I already have a video of me like packaging it actually up, just not putting the lip gloss in. It's kind of hard to show you guys a video of me actually doing it without showing the actual address, my address, and the person's address. But I might throw something together for you guys eventually. Don't ask me when, because I have no idea. But yeah guys, so hope you enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to enter the giveaway. Don't forget about what this video is actually about. It's the giveaway. Again, what do you have to do again? Follow me on Instagram at Marisa Cosmetics. Follow me, screenshot a photo, send it to my DM, and then comment back to this video and comment your Instagram. Please don't forget to leave your Instagram name. If you do not leave your Instagram name, you will not be entered in the giveaway. So yeah, enter your name. Comment down your name and say done. Don't forget to follow me. And yeah, pretty simple, pretty easy. It isn't anything major I want anybody to do. But if you do win, it would be great if you would actually do a video on you making it. I would love to watch it, but it's optional. Do what you want to do. I won't be mad at you, but yeah, guys. So good luck. Again, this giveaway will last 1 week. December 11th, I will be announcing the winner. So stay tuned. It's been real, guys. See you in the next one.